Welcome to EduRev. Let's dive straight into UPSC Daily Current Affairs for 26 December 2025. Curated, contextualized, and exam focused. Stay with me till the end because we'll not only decode what happened, but also why it matters for UPSC and how you should remember it. Tsunami Ready Recognition Program. Why news? India plans to designate 100 plus coastal villages as tsunami ready under the Tsunami Ready Recognition Program developed by the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission of UNESCO. What is this program? It is an international disaster preparedness initiative aimed at saving lives and livelihoods by ensuring coastal communities are ready for tsunamis. Key features you must remember. Communities must meet 12 indicators: hazard mapping, evacuation plans, early warning systems, mock drills. Certification is renewable every 4 years, ensures sustained preparedness, focuses on community-level resilience, not just government response. Why is this important for UPSC? Directly relevant to GS1, Geography plus Disaster Management. Links with Sendai Framework, Coastal Vulnerability, and Climate-Induced Disasters. A ready-made case study for answers on disaster preparedness in India. Camellia sinensis, the tea plant. Why news? The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, clarified that only beverages derived from Camellia sinensis can legally be called tea. Key botanical and environmental facts. Evergreen shrub or tree, grown on sloping terrain. Climate: 15 to 23 degrees Celsius, warm and humid. Rainfall: 150 to 300 centimeters annually. Soil: slightly acidic, well-drained. Types of tea from Camellia sinensis. Green, unoxidized. Oolong, partially oxidized. Black, fully oxidized. White, minimally processed. Why is this important for UPSC? Static plus current affairs blend, perfect for GS3, agriculture and environment. Helps in MCQs on crops, climate requirements, and agroecology. Also links to food standards, labeling, and consumer protection. Minamitori Island and rare earth mining. Why news? Japan will begin test mining of rare earth-rich mud near Minamitori Island. Why this matters? Rare earths like neodymium and dysprosium are crucial for EVs, wind turbines, defense tech. Mud formed from plankton remains spread thinly on ocean floors. Why is this important for UPSC? Core topic for GS3, critical minerals and strategic resources. Helps you link geopolitics, technology, and sustainability. Can be used in answers on deep sea mining ethics and UNCLOS. Rashtriya Prerna Sthal. Why in the news? PM inaugurated Rashtriya Prerna Sthal in Lucknow to honor Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 101st birth anniversary. Key highlights: located on Gomti River, features 65-foot bronze statues, museum shaped like a lotus, also honors Shyam Prasad Mukherjee and Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Why is this important for UPSC? Culture plus polity plus governance. Relevant for GS2 and GS1, modern Indian history and political thought. Frequently used in prelims static GK. Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill 2025. Why in news? The VBSA Bill 2025 was introduced and referred to a joint parliamentary committee. What does the bill propose? One unified higher education regulator, merging UGC, AICTE, NCTE. 3 councils: Viniyaman, regulation; Gunvatta, accreditation; Manak, standards. Focus on outcome-based education. enables Indian universities to open campuses abroad. Concerns: excessive centralization, possible dilution of state powers. Why is this important for UPSC? High-value topic for GS2, education, federalism, governance. Strong mains answer fodder with pros and cons. Links directly to NEP 2020. Himalayan Red Fox. Why in news? Sighted near Pangong Tso, triggering concerns over human-wildlife interaction. Key facts: subspecies of red fox. IUCN status: least concern. Found across Himalayan belt. Why is this important for UPSC? Species plus habitat-based questions are prelims favorites. Helps frame answers on ecotourism versus conservation. Cities as dynamic ecosystems. Core argument. Urban planning often ignores people, especially migrants. Language becomes a barrier to belonging. Migrants sustain cities but remain excluded. Why is this important for UPSC? Excellent GS2 ethics plus governance perspective can be used in essay and mains answers on inclusive urbanization. Linking NATGRID with NPR. Why in news? Government-linked National Intelligence Grid, NATGRID, with National Population Register. Benefits: faster terror and crime investigations. Concerns: privacy erosion. No FIR required for data access. Why is this important for UPSC? Core GS2 topic: security versus civil liberties. Perfect for mains analytical questions. Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Why news? Tiger population rose from 8 2010 to 54 2022. Why is this important for UPSC? Flagship conservation success story. Strong example for GS3 biodiversity answers. Regional airlines and aviation challenges. Key insight: despite new NOCs, regional airlines struggle due to thin margins, high fuel costs, market duopoly. Why is this important for UPSC? Governance plus infrastructure plus economy. Useful for GS2 and GS3 integration answers. Titan and Cassini Mission. Why news? New analysis suggests Titan may not have a subsurface ocean. Key facts: Titan, only moon with dense atmosphere, studied by Cassini Mission. Why is this important for UPSC? Space science questions are high return in prelims. Enhances answers on planetary exploration. Want all this explained daily, visually, conceptually, and exam-focused? Download the EduRev app now from the Play Store and iOS App Store. Get UPSC-specific current affairs, notes, MCQs, and revision tools all in one place. Study smart. Study daily. Study with EduRev.